question of the day, we are to discuss endometriosis. So what is endometriosis? Endometriosis is basically the inflammation or a condition that arises because of the cells that are normally found inside the uterus being found outside the uterus in other parts of the body. So we have the inside part. This is a model of a uterus. Yeah, so your uterus is normally in this shape generally. So if you have this layer during your menses, it normally like increase in size. Our additional layers are normally found. And then when you reach the menstrual time or the time that the menses start, it starts to erode or collapsing and it falls out like blood. So when it falls out like blood, that is when you say you're experiencing your menses. So this one happens month and again because that is why you get your menses every other month. Now, in some conditions, you may find now these cells that are actually in the inner side of your uterus are happening to be or are being seen to be outside other organs that are neighboring the uterus. We are talking about organs like the urinary bladder, where the urine is stored, organs like your large intestines, and we are talking about maybe fallopian tube, things like those ones. So if these cells are being found there, they will be sensitive to the hormones that make the uterus to proliferate or to increase in size. So what happens? So when the hormones communicate to the uterus, increase in size, because it is that part of time of the month that the uterus should actually start preparing for menses, even the cells that are in your urinary bladder that are migrating from this part will also start behaving in the same way.